I welcome you to this session on artificial intelligence. In this video, I will cover the introduction of artificial intelligence. First question is, what is artificial intelligence? Let me explain what exactly artificial intelligence is. The term artificial intelligence is defined as a technique of getting machines to work and behave like humans. In other words, artificial intelligence is the development of computer system and softwares to perform tasks that requires human minds or intelligence. Human intelligence like virtual perceptions, decision making, sensations, translation of languages, etc. Basically, artificial intelligence is the creation of machines and robots that have been used to wide range of fields such as robotic, healthcares and marketing businesses. Now let me explain you the history of the artificial intelligence. The history of artificial intelligence is quite interesting. In 1956 was the most important year in the invention of artificial intelligence because in 1956 for the first time the term artificial intelligence was introduced by the John McCarthy. He defined artificial intelligence is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. Then 1956 after 1956, in 1959, first artificial intelligence laboratory was established. In 1960, the first robot was introduced. In 1961, the first chat box was invented named as Alisa. Nowadays we have many chat boxes like Siri from Apple, Alexa, Google Assistants, etc. In 2005, first robot car was invented named Stanley. In 2011, IBM question answering system Watson was introduced. And now the most important technology in this world is artificial intelligence. This is because all the multinational companies and the big tech giants start investing in artificial intelligence companies. This is because they believe that artificial intelligence is the future of, and the most important companies and the big companies such as Amazon, Tesla, Facebook, Microsoft, etc. The importance and the demand of artificial intelligence. So the question is, why artificial intelligence is so important? Artificial intelligence was first introduced in 1956 and now it suddenly gained so much of importance. Why? The reason behind this question is that the various universities, governments, and another tech giants are all start investing in artificial intelligence. Companies like Facebook, Microsoft, Tesla, Google, and various shopping devices believes that artificial intelligence is the future of modern world. So that's why artificial intelligence gain so much of importance nowadays. Another question is that how artificial intelligence works for all these big companies. Artificial intelligence helps in various fields like social media, shopping devices, Netflix, etc. The things we love are automatically appears in front of us so that we can spend more and more time on them. This all done because of artificial intelligence. We produce immeasurable amount of data and information nowadays. They helpful to implement artificial intelligence in our daily life. Another reason is artificial intelligence requires a lot of human thinking and conceptual thinking's power, and now we have that level of thinking powers. Second thing is algorithm and languages. The Now we have a better and effective algorithms and various languages such as Python, Java, C++, etc. These all reasons behind the importance of artificial intelligence. The applications based on artificial intelligence. One of the most famous application of artificial intelligence is social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, etc. We are actually unaware that we are using artificial intelligence very regularly in our daily life. All these social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter are completely based on artificial intelligence. All the auto tagging features and facial features that you see in Facebook, there is only artificial intelligence behind it. Another famous applications of artificial intelligence is self-driving car made by Tesla. That car can automatically detect any object or any obstacle without human intelligence. It is implemented through machine learning and artificial intelligence by Tesla. Another most famous applications is known as Netflix. Netflix has developed a personalized movie recommendation for each of its users. The things we love are automatically appear in front of us so that we can spend more and more time on them. This all done because of artificial intelligence. Google Predict search engine is also one of the most famous application of artificial intelligence because when we start typing or search terms, Google makes recommendation for us. It is not simple to create a search engine, but the logic behind Google search engine is artificial intelligence. Now we have almost Siri virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. Let me tell you another most important newly released virtual assistants called Google Duplex. Google Duplex respond to call automatically. Different types of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is divided into three different types or stages. First, we have artificial narrow intelligence. It is also known as weak intelligence. Second, we have general intelligence, and third, we have super intelligence. So, first question is, what is artificial narrow intelligence? Narrow intelligence is also known as weak intelligence. We are generally use the artificial narrow intelligence in our daily life. For example, we are using Google search engine, Siri and Alexa. These are all based on artificial narrow intelligence. It only apply on the specific task. So many currently existing systems that claims to use the artificial intelligence are actually operating as weak artificial intelligence, such as Siri, Google search engines, Alexa. Self-driving car by the Tesla, Facebook, Microsoft is a very good example of narrow or weak intelligence. This is because of the artificial narrow artificial intelligence. It operates within limited predefined range of functions. There is no genuine intelligence or no computational power. It is only and it is a sophisticated example of weak artificial intelligence. Right now we are reaching at the stage of the artificial narrow intelligence, and we actually haven't reached on artificial general intelligence or artificial super intelligence. Let's look at what exactly it would be like and if we reach on artificial general intelligence. So second question is, what is artificial general intelligence? It is involves the machines that possess the ability to perform or to perform the intelligent task that a human can do easily. If the machines capable of doing the simple and the most reasonable things that human like, for example thinking, and some work which is only done by the human beings, if the machine can easily do these kind of things, then it actually comes on the artificial general intelligence. So the first was the artificial narrow intelligence and the second is artificial general intelligence. The example of artificial general intelligence is when a machine can check out the millions of documents in 10 seconds, but a human, it is very difficult to check out the millions of documents in 10 seconds. So it is a very good example of artificial general intelligence. The third most important type of artificial intelligence is artificial super intelligence. It Let's move to our third type of artificial intelligence, which is strong intelligence. It is a very strong intelligence, and this involves the machines are able to perform all the tasks that humans cannot do. For example, the limited time of actually the human cannot perform many task in a very short time or with perfection, but if a machine can do um, a work which is completely on time and with perfection, this is the more advanced artificial intelligence, and it is not implemented yet. Programming language used for the artificial intelligence. There are many programming languages which are used for the artificial intelligence like Python, Java, Lisp, Prolog, C++, JavaScript, R, programming language, etc. So first we have Python. Python is one of the most famous language for artificial intelligence, and it is the most effective language for artificial intelligence. Most of the developer prefer Python because syntax of the Python is very simple and it is one of the easiest language to learn. Python has predefined functions and libraries which are used to implement artificial intelligence. So Python is considered as the best choice for the implementation of artificial intelligence. But the second most important language for used in artificial intelligence is R programming language. R is one of the most effective language for the manipulation of data. It is a statistical programming language. R is one of the most easiest language in world. Its syntax is very simple and similar to English language. It has a number of libraries. Now third most important language which are used to implement the artificial intelligence is Java. Java is considered as the good choice for the artificial intelligence. Java provides many features like debugging is very fast and easy. It is easy to use and manage. Many benefits like packages, applets, etc. It has good user attraction, and Java is considered as the good choice for the implementation of artificial intelligence. Other languages which are used for the implementation of artificial intelligence are Lisp, Prolog, C++, JavaScript. These languages can be used to develop the artificial intelligence. Relationship between artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. In our previous lecture, we discussed about what is artificial intelligence, importance of AI, various applications and programming language used for artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a vast field. Under artificial intelligence, we have machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence and deep learning is a subset of machine learning as shown on the screen. So artificial intelligence is the sum of machine learning and deep learning. Artificial intelligence is a way of getting machines to behave like human beings, whereas machine learning is a method through which we can feed a lot of data to the machine and make it learn. Machine learning is one of the most important aspects of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence and machine learning is not similar with each other, but importance of machine learning in artificial intelligence is machine learning is used in artificial intelligence. Now the last question is, what is deep learning? Deep learning is a method through which we can solve the complex problem in an easy way. In our next few lectures or sessions, we are going to discuss about machine learning and deep learning. Thanks for watching this video.